Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keona, and today I'm starting a new segment on my channel, which is going to be Keona's Kitchen. So this will be episode 1. I want to start this because I actually cook a lot. I've been vegetarian for 16 years, and then this last December I finally made the switch to, and stuck to, the switch of being vegan or plant-based, however you want to say it. So I just want to share some of the recipes because I actually do cook a lot, and I share some of the pictures on Instagram, and people are always asking me like, what's the recipe? Drop the recipe. And so I was like, I might as well just film myself, and then people will have like an actual reference of me cooking. So this first recipe here, my dad actually gave to me. I'm making curried string beans and potatoes. Every time someone gives me a recipe, I have to modify it. I feel like if you're a cooker, if you're somebody that cooks, you're always going to find a way to make it your own and kind of put your spin on things. So in the recipe he gave me, he uses the potatoes as a thickener only, but I wanted to keep some of the potatoes in my actual like curry dish. That way it's just like a little bit more hearty. So here you see me kind of sauteing off the aromatics. I added curry powder to it, and so I was getting that going. And then yeah, you're gonna see me add the string beans and the potatoes. But I'm gonna stop talking and just let you guys enjoy the video. If anybody has any questions or wants like a full recipe of all the ingredients used, just let me know. And if I see that people are always asking, I'll just start automatically just putting them in the description box. But most people I think just like to see people cook. At least I do. I watch a lot of cooking videos on YouTube, so that's what you got for that. This was insanely good. I had it over some quinoa, as you can see in the video, and the only thing I wish I did differently was kept a little bit of the juice on. I kind of let it cook down a little further than I should have. I wish it was just like a little bit more juicy, but other than that, it was so good and so filling. Like, this was such a good meal. A good like fall winter meal, but I was making it in the spring, but still really good nonetheless. I also realized while making this video that I did not include the time or date for any of the things I made. This is a different day, and I'm making one of my favorite quick ass salads. Like, I know people think that like vegetarians and vegans just eat a bunch of salads all day. And for the most part, we do. We eat a lot of greens, we eat a lot of salads. This is probably like the least interesting salad that I make. So there you saw me like chopping up the lettuce. I'm gonna add some cucumber to it. And then of course some quinoa on the side. I meal prep quinoa, like a big bunch of it, and I'll just have it like throughout the week because it's a good source of fiber and protein for plant-based people. So I put some quinoa on the side, and then I use my favorite Trader Joe's dressing, which is not always in stock. Like, sometimes I feel like I need to really pull up on whoever is managing Trader Joe's salad dressing. Like, why are y'all not ordering enough of the vegan salad dressing? We need it. Sometimes I go and there's only the dill dressing. It's like, I need that Caesar dressing on deck all times. Like, it's that good. But yeah, this is just like a little salad I made. I'm just showing you some things I got when I went grocery shopping. This was not a typical grocery shopping trip for me. Honestly, I went in for like 3 things, but they just had like a lot of things I've been wanting to try at Wegmans, like that New York style cheesecake and that gluten-free pepperoni pizza. Because sometimes when you look for like vegetarian or vegan like specialty items, they don't always have them in stock. They get sold out really fast, at least where I live in Virginia. So when you see them, you gotta grab them. So I did get like, you know, things that I actually needed, like the frozen blueberries, the raspberries, the mushrooms. But then I also got just like some fun stuff like that field roast smoked tomato, and that plant-based tuna. Like, I didn't need that. I just wanted to try it. That tuna was actually only 92 cents. I still haven't used it yet. But I have high hopes for it. Like, I hope it tastes good because it's only 92 cents and it's a good source of protein. So yeah, this is just some of the things that I got while grocery shopping. And I think this came out to like $70 actually. It's kind of expensive. One thing about me, I have a sweet tooth and I'm not ashamed about it. So I had to dig into that New York style cheesecake like immediately. This is the same night. This is actually the night that the Love is Blind reunion premiered. And oh my gosh, what men are so scary, right? Jeez, like you can't trust them. You can't trust them at all. Like, I was scared for these women. So I'm just cutting into that cheesecake. It was pretty good. I don't know if I would get it again. I feel like I could make a better one on my own, to be honest. Not to toot my own horn, but toot. I'm a pretty good baker. The crust was just The filling was good though. I don't know. I just feel like I could do a better job by myself. But I just put some raspberries on the side, and I'm on the phone here. But yeah, it was decent.
Oh yeah. Now I just gotta put it all together in a bowl, mix it up, and then
Give Mikey some.
Mikey gets nothing. You get nothing, Mike.
I gave him a mango. What would a What I Eat in a Week video be without a little smoothie? Here you see me making a little smoothie. I put bananas, that frozen mixed fruit that you see me adding right now. I also added fenugreek. I added way too much of the fenugreek powder. You only need a little bit. I should have measured it out, but I was being lazy and I dumped some in and way too much came out. So don't be like me. And I also added slippery elm bark capsules. I don't know why I didn't buy my slippery elm bark in like the powder form like I brought the fenugreek, but whatever, I just open up the capsules. For some reason, the capsules, I feel like when I'm taking the capsules, they're not really working for me. I feel like, I don't know, maybe my system is like bypassing them and they're not really digesting. But when I take them out of the capsules, that's when I feel the effects of the slippery elm bark. So that's a little pro tip for you guys. Take them out the capsules if you feel like they're not working, and you'll probably get better results. But yeah, this is a pretty good smoothie. I'm grabbing my phone here to show you guys the date and the time, because I realized like, oh shit, I haven't been showing them the date or the time. But it's also 3:24 and this was my first time eating today. Like, can we be so serious? I need to get better at that. It's really hard sometimes. I don't know, like time just escapes me and I just will be like, oh, I haven't eaten anything today. You know how guys are always talking about their girlfriends and like, oh, she'll survive off of like an iced coffee. And I'll be like, babe, did you eat today? And she'll be like, no. It's like, girl, eat something. I know, I gotta do better. Especially because I have been hitting the gym. And so like, if you don't eat, then you're not gonna see pretty much any results. Like, it's all gonna be for waste. But yeah, right here, I wasn't making a salad. Oh, I was making a sandwich. Okay. So I was cutting up some veggies, my lettuce, tomato, and then I added some sliced jalapenos on the side for my sandwich. I'm trying out this field roast smoked tomato little like lunch meat. Why do they always put the lunch meats in this stupid ass packaging? Like, can we be so serious? And then it's like, you try to save this and you have to just put it in like a little sandwich baggie, and then the sides of it get like all crusty if you don't eat it right away. Like, I hate this packaging. Why can't they put it in normal like ham packaging? Anyway, I thought the taste was like okay. The texture was okay, I guess. I don't really remember how lunch meat tastes. It's been that long, but whatever. Also made some fries in the oven. I think that's a little bit too much salt for a little bit of fries, but you know, you do you. I ended up burning them a little bit, so don't judge me. I also put my bread in there so I could oh, I burned myself. Watching these back is hilarious. But yeah, from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble my sandwich. I do not like a dry sandwich, so I definitely had to put hot mustard, and I'll end up putting mayonnaise on this too. You'll see me do it. And then yeah, my meatless substitute, the lettuce, the tomato, the jalapenos. And if you're someone that does not season your sandwich, I beg you to start, okay? So I put a little adobo too, because we need this to taste like something. Actually was really good. Like, I made it again after this. It was really good. But this is where we part ways, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, liking, subscribing, and commenting. I appreciate all of you. I'm gonna make more of these, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye.